Time to put the belt on this thing and get it back going. Yep. Time to get this one going next. We got that over there. Putting on 2 belts. Drive shaft belt. Other belt, a little dry rotted. Time to get this one off. Put the new belt on there. So we can get this thing cutting. Let's go. Got that thing all jacked up. Access the belt. Start pulling these pulleys loose, clean it up. Bing, bing. Drive bed. Time to remove all that. Got it from the front. Time to run it under. Let's go, man. Get from out of here. Get out of there.
I think it's cold. That's probably what it is.
Get out of there. Get out of there, man. Hey, get out of there. Get your ass up.
He's like, well, I know you lying.
Get out of my job, man. Get out of there.
Get back up in here, riding the bull.
He like riding like, this is not bad. Get out, man. Got the top blade in. Only thing is having, where is this one coming from? But we'll put that in there. Good to go. How'd you get yourself in there? You trying to drive? You're ready to drive things, huh? Want me to help you down? Let you ride, huh? Come on, get on down. And go right back up. And we're done. Another satisfied. My day one. Before we even had to sign up. That's right. You see your man, and you ride him out. Another satisfied customer. Look at that.
Yeah, he's fired up.
Oh man, that's nice right there.
He rode it for about 2 hours.
I'm gonna follow him now back. The quality appreciation. People go to let us know that we do great work and they stand by it. Big shout out to MJ, my first customer, loyal customer, whole family. They out there riding that thing, enjoying it. We here for everybody. Stunto Fox, you see it.